What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. In simple words, AI is technology that allows computers and machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. I can understand information, solve problems, and improve its performance over time. How AI works? AI works by using data in computer programs called algorithms. It learns patterns from the data and uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions. For example, when a phone recognizes your face to unlock, it is using AI. Examples of AI. AI is used in many everyday technologies. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. Recommendation systems on YouTube and Netflix. Translation apps. Self-driving car technology, chatbots and virtual assistants. Real-life example. Suppose you watch many cooking videos on YouTube. AI studies your viewing habits and recommends similar cooking videos that you may enjoy. Example sentences. AI can help answer questions quickly. Many companies use AI to improve their services. AI is becoming an important part of daily life. Related terms. Some related terms include machine learning, automation, robotics, data science, neural networks. In simple terms, AI is technology that helps computers learn, think, and make decisions. Easy way to remember. AI means a computer that can learn and act intelligently.